Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
Nargis Mawalwala, a Pakistani quantum astrophysicist, has been appointed as the Dean of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology School of Science. According to MIT News, Nargis Mawalwala, the Curtis and Kathleen Marble Professor of Astrophysics, has been named the new Dean of MIT's School of Science. Nargis succeeded Michael Sipser. Nargis is famous for her work in detecting gravitational waves, ripples in space and time hypothesized by Albert Einstein a century ago. She received her early education from Convent of Jesus and Mary School in Karachi before moving to the U.S. Nargis completed her BA in Physics and Astronomy in 1990 from Wellesley College in Massachusetts and Ph.D. in Physics in 1997 from Massachusetts Institute of Technology. She had also worked as a postdoctoral associate and a research scientist at the California Institute of Technology. In 2010, Nargis was conferred with the prestigious MacArthur Foundation Award for her contribution to quantum astrophysics and astronomy. A 12-year-old Pakistani student, Radia Amir, has been selected for a one-week internship program at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA). 3 Pakistani students win international acclaim for outstanding space research during the program. Radia will undergo training for next-generation astronaut training experience.
Hiba Rahmani is working as an avionics engineer at the United States National Aeronautical and Space Administration, NASA. My fondest memory growing up is taking walks with my family at night, either in the desert or on the sidewalk by the Arabian, Persian Gulf, looking up at the sky to admire the moon and stars, and thinking about astronauts such as Neil Armstrong who have stepped on the moon. Hiba said, speaking to a media channel, giving a brief insight of her challenging journey to where she is today. Human space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Through addressing the challenges related to human space exploration, we expand technology, create new industries, and help to foster a peaceful connection with other nations. Pakistanis are extremely talented and skillful. They should also increase the literacy rate on top priority basis.
Space exploration is the investigation, by means of crewed and uncrewed spacecraft, of the reaches of the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere and the use of the information so gained to increase knowledge of the cosmos and benefit humanity. Humans have always looked at the heavens and wondered about the nature of the objects seen in the night sky. With the advances in electronics and other technologies in the 20th century, it became possible to send machines, animals and then people above Earth's atmosphere into outer space. Pakistani scientists are excellent, they can contribute well in space exploration.
Achieving spaceflight enabled humans to begin to explore the solar system and the rest of the universe, to understand the many objects and phenomena that are better observed from a space perspective, and to use for human benefit the resources and attributes of the space environment. All of these activities, discovery, scientific understanding, and the application of that understanding to serve human purposes, are elements of space exploration. Pakistani students should develop more interest in space exploration.
Outer space, also simply called space, refers to the relatively empty regions of the universe outside the atmospheres of celestial bodies. Outer space is used to distinguish it from airspace and terrestrial locations. Space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space. While the exploration of space is carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes, its physical exploration though is conducted both by unmanned robotic space probes and human spaceflight.
The things in space are asteroids, comets, meteoroids, meteors, meteor showers, meteorites, dwarf planets, Kuiper belt objects, Oort cloud objects, the explorers.
Pakistani researchers are exceptional. The Space Program 2040 is a satellite development and launch program of SPARCO, Pakistan's Supreme Space Research Authority. We human beings have been venturing into space since October 4, 1957. Human space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Through addressing the challenges related to human space exploration, we expand technology, create new industries, and help to foster a peaceful connection with other nations.
Space exploration actually benefits the environment and the population, and it allows important new scientific discoveries to be made. Space exploration might allow for environmental supplements to be pumped through to Earth so that we could still enjoy the environment but with less maintenance.
Manned space exploration is absolutely worth the investment. It's not just about what we learn out there in space, or about ourselves, or how to be a better steward of precious Earth. It's about how we live here on Earth together and what type of future we want for ourselves and children. The focus of Pakistan's space program is to promote the peaceful exploration and applications of space science and space technology. Pakistan should continue working on increasing the literacy rate. Pakistani researchers can contribute well in science and technology.
Everyday benefits of space exploration are so many, such as improving our understanding of the human body, talking on cellular phones, satellites in our everyday lives, creating jobs in technology, taking action on climate change, making scientific discoveries, performing risky surgical procedures, getting young people interested in science.
Space-based technologies, such as remotely sensed data, have enhanced scientific understanding of water cycles, air quality, forests and other aspects of the natural environment. Space technology has practical uses. Space exploration has done more than increase our knowledge. It has also provided us with technology that makes life on Earth easier. Other satellites collect images of Earth's surface to show how it is being changed by natural events and human activity.
Space exploration pays off in goods, technology, and paychecks. The work is done by people who are paid to do it here on Earth. The money they receive helps them buy food, get homes, cars, and clothing. They pay taxes in their communities, which helps keep schools going, roads paved, and other services that benefit a town or city. The money may be spent to send things up there, but it gets spent down here. It spreads out into the economy.
Another way to look at the return on investment for space exploration is that it helps pay the bills right here on the planet. Not only that, but the products of space exploration range from the knowledge that gets taught to science research that benefits a wide variety of industries and technology, such as computers, medical devices, etc., that are used here on Earth to make life better. It's really a win-win situation for everybody involved.
Cell phones are used all over the Earth. They talk to GPS satellites circling our planet, giving location data. There are other satellites monitoring the sun that warn scientists, astronauts, and satellite owners of upcoming space weather storms that could affect communications infrastructure. Users are looking at this story on a computer, hooked up to a worldwide network, all made from materials and processes developed for sending science results around the world. Many people watch television using data transferred via satellites stationed in space around the world.
The airplanes we fly in, the cars we drive, the trains we ride in and the boats we sail on all use space-age technology to navigate. Their construction is influenced by lighter materials used to build spacecraft and rockets. Although few of us are able to travel to space, our understanding of it is enlarged by the use of orbiting space telescopes and probes that explore other worlds. For example, every day or so, new images come to Earth from Mars, sent by robotic probes that deliver new views and studies for scientists to analyze. People also explore the sea bottoms of our own planet using craft influenced by the life support systems needed to survive in space.
Space exploration may cost some money up front, just as any investment does. However, it pays for itself many times over as its technologies are adopted and used here on Earth. Space exploration is a growth industry and gives good, if long-term, returns. The cost works out to a penny or two for each taxpayer. The return to each of us is much higher. From instantaneous global communications and the internet to smartphones and GPS, space exploration has transformed and improved people's lives. Without question, our lives have been fundamentally altered and enhanced through technologies researched and developed to support the necessities of spaceflight.
Space travel can present extreme environments that affect machine operations and survival. Like humans, machines are impacted by gravity, propulsive forces, radiation, gases, toxins, chemically caustic environments, static discharge, dust, extreme temperatures, frequent temperature variations and more.
Pakistan. Zindabad.
Please share this video, subscribe to our channel.